What's up, everyone? Crypto Trader Mitch here, and Bitcoin has gone wild. We just got a nasty sell-off. I just arrived in New York for the holidays a couple hours ago. I just fired up my machine to check on things, and I saw we were getting the sell-off, the Christmas sale that I talked about in the last video. It's starting to look a lot like Bitmas. We sold off hard. I went from thinking I was going to relax and have a drink with some friends tonight to trading crypto like crazy. This is nuts. I have Bitcoin, the chart up on the screen, and look exactly where it got to. I talked about this old uptrend in the prior video, and then I talked how we had this uptrend before it went parabolic, big spike, pull down, and I said, this uptrend line, this is a price point. We got the lows here, and then it can get as far down even to test this. We bounced. I loaded up. I'll show you in a second. I used my Coinbase, and as soon as I saw a crack 13, I started putting my buy order in. I was lucky enough to get it just under. I got to think at like 12.9. When it got down to like 12.7, because Coinbase is the worst with their bid ask. Ginormous spread, but whatever it is, what it is. I got it sub 13K, so I'm excited. I'm hoping it works out. It already has bounced quite a bit. We're at 14 and change. I wish I could take it for a trade, but I can't because you know how Coinbase is bringing USD in. It takes time to clear. I'll show you real quick on my wallet. Boom. Here we go. Just bought it. Took everything I had available. I was able to get zero point 0.3 Bitcoin. Look at this. Arrives in 9 days. Usually it takes 5 or 7 days to clear. 9 days. I'm assuming because of the holidays. Not looking forward to waiting that long. So this bounce has to be something that lasts. Because honestly, I would have took half of it off already after essentially 17, 18, almost 2K bounce. So this is nothing. This isn't a surprise. This is what we're waiting for. You know, this is over a 25% pullback. I've been saying it. You know, anytime we get 20% or more sell-offs, they're buying opportunities. So I pressed it. I got aggressive. You know, hoping it would actually test these lows. And then the momentum. I was watching the 15-minute chart. The candles are just getting smoked on volume. So I'm like, you know what? Screw it. I'm going to see if I can get it down at the trend line. And it spiked. It got there. So I'm excited about the entry point. You know, I've been waiting for this sell-off for months. I mean, I've been talking about this since, you know, late November, I think, us getting a big sell-off at some point. So hopefully, um, you know, been paying attention and you see that we got the support here. Obviously, if we break this trend line, then, you know, we got to reevaluate. Things could get ugly. We can go down to 12, maybe even 10. Um, so we'll see. Hopefully, we get the bounce and reversal here right off the trend line. Um, if not, like I said, we reevaluate. I also grabbed some Litecoin. So look at this. Look at these bounces. This is sick. I grabbed some at I think like 255. I did that in my Bittrex account. Let's see what I ended up getting it at. I got it at 257. So I'll take that. It's fine. I mean, I gotta stop looking at the Coinbase charts. That's so off. Let's look at reality. Yeah, see, so it got down to, it never got down to 200. It got down to 240. I got in basically where it is right now, a little bit on the bounce here. I only grabbed one coin just to see if I can get a little trade because the bottom line is we had this low here of 241. Um, Maybe that's like there's no clear supports. I mean, this thing, like I said, Litecoin could go all the way back down to like a buck 20, a buck 100, and or $100, and it wouldn't even be negative. So, you know, it's still being an uptrend. So, I just took a little flyer on one coin with this. Obviously, I got much more aggressive with Bitcoin, plowing 4K into it. Um, Also, I grabbed a little Neo. Neo, same thing, big candle. I got Neo, I think at 57. I'd have to bring up my Bittrex and switch it. So I'm pretty sure it was around 57. So when it started bouncing, or it might have been 55, but whatever. I was just looked at it as we had some consolidation here at 50. So I'm looking at 50 as the downside. So it already bounced pretty fast. So I'd grab some around here. And I'll keep my eye on the $50 level to see if that consolidation or even this 47, 48, this area holds. If not, then you know we could see downside to 43, 42. But I'm hoping that it stays in the prior range. So, in fact, hold on. Let me bring up Neo on Bittrex, I think. Yeah, this is what I usually look at it. See, that's how I got my lines. All right, so triangle breakout consolidation. So the bottom line is most likely 50 would be a good level because if not, we're looking at basically falling back into the old range, and it took so much time and consolidation for it to break out that it's kind of unlikely for it to fall back, essentially into the low 40s, into this range. So I expect it to stay, above 45, but really we're looking at 50 was the next price action level where we had consolidation. So we'll see. Obviously, I brought it up here, but I got messages popping up from my Discord. I got text messages flying in. I mean, everyone's going nuts with all this stuff getting sold off right now. So I apologize for all the noises and pop-ups, but I'm on a little makeshift setup right now while I'm visiting New York, and trying to take advantage of things while I can. So just want to give you a little idea of what I'm doing. Obviously, these are my trades catered to my risk reward and my goals. So, make your own decisions. This isn't investment advice. This is just me, telling you what I'm doing and showing you what points on the chart that I'm seeing. So we'll see what the next, really the next 12, 24 hours bring. It should be interesting. But I'm liking the Christmas sell-off here. We got crypto on sale for Christmas. Last minute shopping. All right, Crypto Trader Mitch, I'm out.